How to draw an Owala water bottle. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Today we are going to be learning how to draw an Owala water bottle. To begin, we are going to draw a long vertical line. This will be the right side of our water bottle. Nice job! Now we are going to draw another line just like this one a little bit to the left. This is going to be the left side of our Owala water bottle. Awesome job! For the next step of drawing our Owala water bottle, we are going to draw the bottom of it. For this, we are going to draw a slightly curved line that will connect the two straight lines that we just drew. For the next step, we are going to draw a straight horizontal line connecting the top of the two vertical lines we drew at the beginning. Nice job! Now above this, we are going to draw a small rectangle. This will connect to the straight line that we just drew. Awesome job! Now we are going to begin drawing the cap of our Owala water bottle. For this, we are going to draw a curved line that goes up and to the right from the left side of our water bottle. This will connect to the top left corner of the rectangle that we just drew. Then we are going to draw a diagonal line that goes up and to the right, that then curves down a little bit and goes straight down near the right side of our water bottle. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our Owala water bottles are coming along great. Next, we are going to draw a curved line right here. Awesome! Now we are going to draw another curved line just like this one, starting at the same spot, that curves downwards a little bit further and connects to the right here. Looking good so far, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. We are almost finished. Next, we are going to draw a small rectangular shape right here and a straight line here. Then, for the last step of our Owala water bottle, we are going to write the word Owala on the bottom part of our water bottle right here. Owala is spelled O-W-A-L-A. Awesome job! If you want to see what colors we use to color in our Owala water bottle, then stick around until the very end. This is how to draw an Owala water bottle. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next. And don't forget, stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me today, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. See you again next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.